were very close to each other. The neighborhood and the community shared everything what they have, especially their values. Sharing for them is their language of kindness, where no single celebration is possible without its deed. This practice of Mambo Saunon is called Ilos, the act of sharing values or sugan with their neighbors in the community. The food or sugan to be shared are put in a yahong or malabong, a porcelain bowl commonly used for soup. In the advent of time, this practice was handed down generation to generation, and even up to now, the people of this place is traditionally inclined to this practice. Lately, the people agreed to hold festivity commemorating the essence of this practice. It is now interpreted into a dance called Kinilusan. The dance researcher is Dr. Castor Arbolida Punan, to be performed by the FCU Silak Dance Company. The FCU Silak Dance Company is the official dance company of Philomar Christian University. The member of the dance company enjoyed privileges to perform in various events such as One Visayas, Dayo Festival, Concert at the Park Laneta, Pasinaya at the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and many other provincial, regional, national, and international events. The FCU Silak Dance Company is under the supervision of the Social Cultural Office, Physical Education Department, and Office of the FCU President under their Artistic Director, Dr. Marcelo J.T.M. Diaz. Ladies and gentlemen, Ian Lusan.